We're here in Washington at a momentous time. And I mean, of course, the sequester. In honor of the sequester, for each of you who went to dinner last night, your meals were reduced by 2.4%. And I can tell you, I can see the looks of hunger and famine in your eyes. Indeed, I don't know how you're possibly still able to stand on 97.6% of your dinner. And I'll always be haunted by the sight of Newt Gingrich's emaciated face. It's like Anne Hathaway in Les Miserables. Other than sequestration, not much is happening in Washington. It's been pretty quiet. We did have a certain eminence grise of the Republican Party describe Rand Paul and me as wacko birds. I have to admit, when Rand and I first heard that, we thought maybe that was a new kind of drone. But if standing for liberty and standing for the Constitution makes you a wacko bird, then count me a proud wacko bird.